Hey friends, if you wish to create an envelope in Microsoft Word, then yes, you can do that as well, and I will explain the procedure. So go to the mailings tab amongst the tabs and then click on envelopes. So the envelopes and labels window is the same one. One tab is for labels and one is for envelopes. You'll have to enter the delivery address here, okay? And then you can either add an electronic postage or avoid that. You can also add a return address, or you can add the return address to the label section. Okay, the return address is just in case it doesn't get delivered, where would you return it to? Then you can check the preview here, okay, and the feed, and you can click on print to print the envelope. But I suggest that you should check for the envelope options like the size, the font. You can change it to something else, and the font for the return one, and the preview here, and the printing options, whether you want it face up, face down, or how you want it exactly. So this is quite customizable, and I use this a lot for creating envelopes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.